We have America's largest collection of Cedar of Lebanon at the Phoenicia Workshop in Iowa. We have distilled and formulated an ancient scent from the essential oil that comes from our logs. The perfume provides a source of funding for the restoration of the ship replica for the next 2 years. We sell Melek to our friends and supporters. The fundraising is patterned in the way that Girl Scouts sell cookies to raise money for their local programs. Instead of cookies, we package and sell perfume. Cedar of Lebanon is the rarest of essences, so it is never found in commercial perfumery. The scent from the oil of this tree is very expensive. It is the source of a perfume that has a sacred nature and supreme beauty. It was the dominant scent in the house of the Lord as constructed by King Solomon of Jerusalem and King Hiram of Tyre. The Hebrew word Melek means king. The verb form of the word is Malek, meaning to rule, as a king rules over his people. From Melek comes the name of Melek, the person who is most closely associated with the 600 BC replica in Montrose. Thus, we call our ancient scent Melek, royal line, ancient scent. We bring to the world a perfume from a tree that goes back in time to history's earliest written records. Believers can now smell a fragrance that creates a memory that connects them to the Bible and to the house of the Lord. The word Melek, king, is found at the beginning and at the end of Christ's life. In the account of the Nativity, the Magi went to King Herod in Jerusalem and asked, "Where is he that is born King of the Jews?" In the same gospel at the time of crucifixion, Pilate instructed that a sign be affixed to the cross for the world to see. The sign read, "This is Jesus, King of the Jews." We are pleased that Melek has so many connections to the sacred histories that are found in the Old and New Testaments.